Steering wheel. What's on, boys?
Easy as that, Luke.
Oh, yeah, you're about to witness some real porn in there. Oh, mate,
I reckon we're golden.
We are ready. Look at
that.
Golden. Demon just got out of can. I gave my bro an advance.
How's it going, you lot? Welcome back to the channel. The title of the video, we are fitting the OMP steering wheel. Now, I've been waiting for ages for this steering wheel to come because the rest of them are in like suede or Alcantara with the yellow bits at the top and yellow stitching. But I wanted get a level one because usually with Alcantara and suede, you're probably going to have to wear like gloves and stuff because once you get hot and sweaty in your hands, especially if I'm going on track, it's going to get quite hot in here. My hands are going to be like sticking to it and I'll have like all of it over my hands and stuff like that. And I don't want that. So what we're going to do today is swapping the standard steering wheel for the OMP one, which is back here. Now, I did record this video once, but I messed up because I ordered the wrong Boss kit. So today we've got the right Boss kit, like 55, 60 quid later that was, and then the steering wheel was about 80 or 100 quid, I think. But I will leave the links in the description down below for all of this stuff anyway, if you want to see it. So I'm going to hand my camera over to Jordan now, who's going to film everything and what I've done. I've already took apart this bit here, but you will see, I'll explain to you why I've done that in a second. So if I pass the camera over now. As you can see, the airbag is currently disconnected here at the minute. Now underneath here, I'll take the camera a second, Jordan. I don't know if you guys can see, I might open the door. Underneath here, you will see there's a little hole right there. Now this this airbag is spring loaded, spring activated basically. So what I'm going to do now, make sure what you all do first is disconnect the battery. I should have done that before doing this actually, but I didn't. And actually before I do that as well, I need to before I do that, I need to straighten up the wheel a bit more than that, so make sure your steering wheel straight. So we're gonna do those things first and then we can crack on fully. But to get this to come out, all you got to do is get something like, I got like an alley key, an alley key set. Just get one that's the right size that can go in there. All you have to do is push up and this will pop out easy enough. So that's all you got to do for that bit. The rest of it I haven't touched yet. So let's just quickly disconnect the battery and then it all should be golden. For this, if you don't know where the battery is, it is pretty like, it is quite hard to find it. I couldn't find it the first time, but it is under here. Now I haven't snapped that off, don't worry, someone else did before me. Just disconnect it with a 10mm. Doesn't matter what side you disconnect. Right, I'm gonna need I'll keep that socket, but I'll get a ratchet, 2 seconds. So yeah, use a ratchet, not a flipping other tool. So just disconnect this one quickly. It doesn't really matter what side you disconnect, it's fine either way. Actually shit, I haven't fucking, what am I doing? Stop swearing. I haven't started the car up and flipping move the steering wheel yet, have I, George?
No, you haven't, mate.
Ooh, better do that one first.
Yeah, better do that
I reckon that'll be a good idea.
I reckon so.
Okay, it's all good. Steering wheel straight now, so we can disconnect this one. Now, in a minute, when you take away, well, I'll explain in a minute actually, because steering lock will come in handy in a minute, as you guys will probably see. All right, tuck that one away somewhere, like somewhere it's not going to move basically. So put it underneath there. That's fine. All right, no problemo. Now, if we step back into the car, so guys, to disconnect this, I don't actually think I need a flathead because I think I can do it without. Sweet. So there's a little really easy clip right there to undo it from there. But if you're wondering what this is connected here, that is your horn. So keep an eye on that one. I won't be doing my horn today because, to be honest with you, I don't actually know how to do it. We'll disconnect that one because it's quite easy to pull off, I believe. I think it says. There you go. And that is your airbag. I'm gone. What up?
See you later.
See you later. Now, this is the one where you're going to need your steering lock to kick in because you're going to be undoing it. Now, don't try and hold the steering wheel because steering lock will just kick in. It doesn't matter anyway. We'll have to undo this bolt here. And once that's undone, it should come off relatively easy. Now, I'm not going to be able to use cruise control on that anymore. I understand if you've got it as well. There might be some way of you being able to wire it up or something, but I'm not going to bother because I don't need to, because race car, yo. Right, keep that one there because that's the old 10mm. Need that one. Good 1/2 inch ratchet, and then you're going to need yourself your big extension as well because that'll come in really handy. And then I believe from last time, if I'm correct, it is like a, nah, it's not that, is it? Yeah, it could, I think it's a 15 or a 16. We'll just double check. Oh, it's a 16. It was a 16, so lefty loosey, righty tighty. This, as you can see, steering lock kicks in, and that just undoes like that. Make sure you don't lose this either, because you're going to need this bolt. Actually, I don't think you will actually. But yeah, there you go. Steering wheel. What's on, boys?
Easy as that, Luke.
Easy as that. So that's that out. Now, some people have to take all of these apart and things like that. You don't have to on the minis, luckily, because with this boss kit, which I've got down here. And also, one more thing, guys, with this boss kit, as you can see, there's a little line. I don't know if you pick that up on camera right there. There's a little line, little like split in the. Yeah, you can't really see it that way, but there is a little split in there. That's like a little, that's like a master spline, because when you buy these boss kits, which I found out last time, it didn't have one. I might be able to pick it up a bit easier on this. There you go. I don't know if you can see it on there. See it? No, I don't know if it'll focus. There you go. So you see that big long line there, right there? That's the master spline, which sits bang on in the middle. I don't know why there's two other little master splines there, because they're not on this one, but it's not stopping it from going on, as you will see. Now, I'm not actually 100% sure how far down I have to go with this. Let me just make sure I get this bang on. Come off. Hold on. Let me see if this goes back in. Oh, yeah. I think that holds them in, George, you know?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. I think we got them, boys.
We got them, boys.
I think it's this one that holds it in, you know? Yeah, 100%. Sorted, boys. See, that's going quite tight now. Don't know how far in I'll go here. Fairly far, to be fair, aren't I? Good?
Yeah, mate.
Look at that.
Sorted.
Sorted. That is not coming off now. That's on there solid. Right, boys. Cool. Sorted. Make sure you put that bolt back in. Let's grab the... Oh, actually, wait. We need to fit this bit. So they all come with one of these. I believe it goes like that, I think, maybe. Don't know. And so, you're about to witness some real porn in there. This is for the viewers over age 18, the guys in here, right? Check out that. Look at that. Unreal, isn't it? How good is that going to look there like that? Oh my god, look at that.
Beauty.
Look.
She loves it.
Unbelievable. Oh, look, it goes in like that. So I don't even need the... Ooh, I see now. Okay then. Okay.
Okay.
So in here is the OMP. Now I should connect up the horn, but nah, I'm okay today.
No.
Not today.
No horn, no problem, mate.
No horn, no problem, mate. I get you now. See it, George? Because see the holes here, right? Some of them are inwards and some of them are outwards.
Oh, right, yeah, yeah.
See now?
I see.
I see mystery solved. So I'm guessing that goes over top of that, and that all goes on like one big dollop of a... It's like it's going to get complicated now, this does. 100%. I will. I don't even think there is a connection, you know, for the horn.
Is it actually not?
Doesn't look like it.
Isn't the wheel the wrong way round though?
Oh yeah, what am I doing? So right, boys, thanks for Jordan pointing out about halfway through the video that I'm putting it on the wrong way around. Steering wheel like that the whole time, I didn't even realise. No, it should be right, that is right. Okay, that is right. And then you put this on top of there. Like that, I believe. I'm probably doing this wrong still, someone will tell me, but hey ho.
Someone in the comments as well.
Someone in the comments.
You've just done this all wrong,
I've
mate.
done this all wrong, mate. Thanks, guys.
Cheers, guys.
Cheers for telling me. I don't think that... These are not made for these, are they? Nah, mate. Jordan, mate. Not happening, bro.
Not happening?
Not happening today, man. That goes on there. And then I'll just put one through for now. To be fair, I'll put two through so then it won't move around. Good thinking, Batman.
Good thinking, Batman.
Cool, like that. Now that's not going to really move. And hopefully... if I get this right. Gonna find it. You know, it's down there somewhere. I think
Where you to, but
oh mate, no, definitely not found him. I think he's there though. I think I've just found him.
he likes that, mate.
Definitely like that.
We like that.
Oh mate.
Oh, that looks so nice.
Oh my god.
Borno's done it again.
That looks awesome.
Yes, then.
Right, let's do these up properly. because we don't want no steering wheels coming off round here. Loosen these off a bit. Who the hell's revving Kevin over there?
Yeah, Kev's revving up.
Kev's revving up, is he? But they're going in an absolute beauty. I'm gonna go for a little drive in a minute then.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
So it feels like. Alright, Kev.
Oh, alright, mate. Chill out.
Get on, Kev. Steady on.
I think that's a 400 brake MX-5
400
turbo.
Tractor, is it?
Oh, mate, 400 brake tractor.
Yeah.
Yeah, mate. I reckon.
Oh, mate,
I reckon we're golden.
We are
mate.
ready. Look
We
at
are
that. Woo!
golden.
Woo! Boys and
We
girls.
are golden.
Oh, mate, would you look at that? Not going anywhere.
She's stiff as a fucking nut. bro.
Yes, boys. Right, bin off that old mini one. Whoever wants to buy that, eBay later. What do you reckon? Let's have a look at that. Driver's view. I'll get out and have a look at it as well. Absolutely. Oh, mate. Look at that's a mini race car now, boy.
Paulo's done it again.
Look at that. Lads, what do we reckon? Right, we're going to clean up everything, connect the battery back up, which is over here, and then we'll go for a little drive, see what it's like. Absolutely a buzzan. Sick, right. Okay, so I just went out for a little drive to make sure everything was okay. All's good. Obviously the horn's not working, so we need to connect that, but that's fine. Jordan's loving it. Yeah, boy. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's the OMP wheel installed. Now, a lot of you are going to be asking if it's genuine. It's not a genuine OMP wheel because I actually couldn't find a genuine OMP wheel like that, what I wanted, so that was in Sweden as well. So, but I know here people saying like steering wheel snap and stuff like that, but this actually seems like a pretty well built wheel. So I'll leave a link in the description down below to the boss kit and the wheel. Everything's good. Obviously it's got an airbag light flowing up now because I should have put a resistor or whatever they call them in there, so it just blanks it, but I haven't. But yeah, it's all good. Absolutely buzzing. Steering was fine. It feels really good. And I don't really know what to say. Like, I didn't think I was going to get around to getting it done, but I've got it done before the meet that's happening tomorrow for my meet. So yeah, that's everything. All good, guys. So thanks for watching the video as always. If you've liked it, make sure you give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you're new. Hit the bell button to be notified every single time I upload, and check all the social media links in the description down below. I'll put Jordan's there as well. Jordan loves the old social media, Instagram. Loves a bit of the Instagram. That's it, guys. Thanks for watching as always. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye bye for now.